Okey, Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Bertemu lagi kita. Saya Cikgu Subiha dan pada hari ini Cikgu akan menerangkan subjek matematik juga, iaitu chapter 7 tingkatan 1. Okey, seperti yang sedia maklum, Cikgu akan menggunakan dua bahasa disebabkan kebanyakan pelajar Cikgu mengikuti DLP, iaitu Dual Language Program. Okey, tanpa membuang masa, hari ini kita akan belajar berkaitan tentang ketaksamaan linear ataupun dalam bahasa Inggeris linear inequalities. Okey, tanpa membuang masa. Okey, what are inequalities? Apa itu ketaksamaan linear? Okey, dalam kehidupan seharian kita akan membuat perbandingan di antara dua kuantiti dengan different value ataupun nilai yang berbeza. Contohnya yang saya ambil daripada textbook, cikgu ambil daripada textbook. Kita boleh lihat di sini perbezaan ataupun comparison between two smartphone, iaitu smartphone A and smartphone B. So daripada sini kita boleh lihat bahawa smartphone A merupakan harga RM1,400 dan smartphone B RM1,600. Jadi daripada perbezaan di sini kita boleh lihat bahawa smartphone A is lebih murah dibandingkan dengan B. Jadi dalam chapter 7 ini kita akan menggunakan simbol. Okey, jadi cikgu boleh tulis di sini A dia lebih murah daripada B. Okey, jadi yang seterusnya untuk yang gambar yang seterusnya, di sini kita boleh lihat juga di mana X tambah 50 gram iaitu lebih berat ataupun lebih more heavy than 80 gram. So dia punya simbol akan menjadi darjah besar. Okey, tak apa. Nanti yang seterusnya, slide seterusnya cikgu akan menunjukkan simbol-simbol yang akan digunakan di dalam chapter 7. Okey. Yang seterusnya kita pergi ke next slide. Okey, ini adalah slide yang seterusnya. Okey, kalau kita lihat di sini, cikgu akan padam dulu. Okey, kalau kita lihat di sini, ini ialah simbol-simbol yang kita akan gunakan di dalam chapter 7. Okey, kalau macam cikgu, kita boleh lihat di sini greater than ataupun lagi besar. Yang kedua ialah less than, lebih kecil. Dan yang ketiga ialah greater than or equal to. Dan yang keempat ialah less than or equal to. Okey, kalau macam cikgu, kita tengok daripada yang simbol yang pertama. Okey, bila di sini besar, maksud dia lagi besar ataupun greater than. Kalau di bahagian sini besar, maksud dia ini ialah greater, yang ni ialah less. Sama juga kalau di bahagian sini ada number di bahagian kiri, so dia maksud dia lagi besar daripada yang sebelah kanan. Yang ni ialah less, yang ni ialah greater. So sama je, cuma dia punya position yang akan berbeza. Tapi tak apa, nanti cikgu akan tunjuk lagi beberapa contoh yang untuk slide yang seterusnya. Okey. Yang seterusnya, okey, ini ialah contoh yang cikgu nak tunjukkan. Kalau kita lihat di sini, negative, fill in the box with the symbol greater or less than, so that it becomes a true statement. Okay, A, negative 5/6. When we see the negative number, we know that this one is less than, correct? Less than 4. So means that 4 is greater than negative 5/6. Okay, same like B, 4 square. 4 square means is 16. So 16 is greater than 9. So 9 means less than 16. Okay. Okay, next slide. Okay, describe the inequalities. Okay, so describe inequalities. in the number line. Okay, this is a number line. Number line we have learned in chapter 1 for form 1, tingkatan 1. But it's okay, kita akan buat a few revisions. Okay, number line ni like this. Okay, when you see on your okay, let's say ini ialah kosong. Ini 2, 4, 6. Okay, and then here is -2, -4, -6. So daripada from this number line we can say that here is positive value. So positive value means is a greater. Okay, this is a negative value, so this is a less atau less. Okay, so daripada contoh yang cikgu tunjukkan di sini, kita boleh lihat bahawa X berada di right hand side, sebelah kanan. So maksud dia X ni ialah dia lagi besar. So this is a greater. So teacher can say that X is greater than 4. Okay, and then yang seterusnya ialah look at the X. X is on your left hand side. Correct? It's a left. So like teacher say, if the X is left hand side, you can say that X is less than 8. Okay, so this is the number line. The number line that shows the relationship in inequality. Okay, it's okay. So I have a few more examples to show you. Okay, next. Okay, this is the sign, right? Signs, road sign. Okay, road sign that we can see all along the highway. Okay, I think teacher think everybody of you have saw these signs, road signs in the highway. Okay, 110 km/h. So means that when you drive a car ataupun bila awak memandu kereta di sepanjang highway, kita tidak boleh memandu kereta lebih daripada 110 km/h, 110 km/jam. Okay, contohnya let's say teacher say speed as S, correct? And then let's say in a road sign say that speed cannot more ataupun less than or equal to 110. So this is the meaning of the road sign. Kita boleh bawa kereta tapi tak boleh lebih daripada 110, tetapi boleh sama ataupun sekurang-kurangnya at least 110. So this is the meaning. Okay, so the speed of vehicle or car must not more than 110. Okay, not more than 110 or greater than 110, but can be at least sekurang-kurangnya 110. Ya, itu ialah paling maksimum ataupun sama dengan. Okay. Okay, yang seterusnya ialah okay, ini pun cikgu ambil daripada textbook, contoh daripada textbook. Okay. Okay, Fatima earns overtime pay when she work at least 9 hours. Okay, maksudnya di sini ialah Fatima akan mendapat bayaran apabila dia bekerja sekurang-kurangnya 9 jam. Kalau dia bekerja kurang daripada 8 jam, maksudnya 8 jam, maksudnya dia tak akan dapat payment. Maksudnya dia kena at least paling sedikit 9 jam ataupun lebih. Baru dia akan dapat bayaran untuk dia punya overtime pay. Jadi, dekat sini cikgu akan letakkan T sebagai dia punya overtime payment. Okay, overtime pay. So maksud dia T mestilah lebih ataupun sama dengan 9 jam. Okey. Okay, so ini maksud dia Fatimah earns overtime pay when she works at least 9 hours a day. Okay, how about the number B? Okay, yang cikgu tulis di sini ialah untuk A. If the T is the number of working hour per day, describe an equality based on the situation above by using is greater than or equal. So ini ialah yang cikgu masukkan. T maksud dia overtime pay working hour per day. So yang B pula, represent the inequality on a number line. Okay, macam tadi cikgu dah tunjukkan the example bagaimana kita nak menggunakan number line. So dekat sini cikgu akan lukis number line. Number line maksud dia ada satu line dan ada number. It's simple je. Okay, so maksudnya contoh cikgu letakkan di sini ialah 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So di sini the statement say Fatimah earns overtime pay when she work at least 9 hours a day. So maksud dia kena bekerja more than 9 hours. So sini adalah 9. Okay. So 9 hour ataupun lebih. Okay, and then teacher have to black out the circle here. Okay, like that. Okay, so kenapa teacher have to black out the circle? Because dekat sini ada equal. Kalau let's say the T is greater than 9, so kita tak perlu buat equal, kita buat macam ni je. Contoh Okay, so ini adalah T is greater than 9, T is greater or equal than 9. So bila ada equal, kita have to black out dia punya circle. Okay. Okey, tak apa. Nanti cikgu akan tunjuk lagi beberapa contoh. Okey, yang seterusnya. Okey. Okey, cikgu padam supaya nanti awak semua tak confuse. Okey, dalam chapter 7 ini, yang paling penting ini, this is the important parts of this chapter. Okay, so how do you solve problems involving linear inequalities? Okay, in this chapter we have you have to pelajar perlulah membiasakan diri dengan simbol. And the first one is symbol, and the second one is dia punya operations. Operation matematik, operation tambah, tolak, darab dan bahagi. Addition, subtraction, multiplications and divisions. Okay. So when we see at this table, we can say that plus and minus. Okay, look at here. Plus and minus, the sign still remains same. Means that dia tak akan berubah. Tetapi kalau kita ada berkaitan tentang multiplications and divisions, the sign of the symbol may be changed. Later teacher will show you how the sign will change. From the less become greater, from greater become less. Okay. So I want all of you to focus. These two is very important. The multiplications and division is very important because mostly the student will akan buat mistake apabila melakukan the step of calculation here. Okay. So yang seterusnya, okay, ini ialah cikgu akan menunjukkan beberapa contoh yang cikgu terangkan sebelum ni, di mana ada beberapa simbol yang akan berubah. Okay, ini sangat simple. Okay, so sekarang ni kita nak mencari the value of X. Okay, sama juga yang kita nak cari the value of X, kita buat same the solutions. So you just change the two at the other sides. So when negative change to other side become positive, and then the X become 6 plus 2 become 8. So the punya symbol is remain the same. Okay, and then B. Okay, B involving with the multiplications. Alright. So 7x. So the 7 we change to other side. So look at carefully. In front of the 7 is a plus, correct? It's a positive. So the symbol remain constant. I mean, remain the same. Sorry. Okay, 28 divide by 7. And then x become greater or equal to 4. Okay, so the symbol here is remain. Okay, remain same. Okay, because the 7 is positive. Okay, next. C. Okay, so look at carefully. So here, this teacher say before this is the important part. The important parts, which is multiplication and divisions. Okay, so this is a divisions. Okay, so look at here. Here is negative 3. When negative 3, okay, so negative 3 move to other side. Because it's got a negative, so the symbol will change. The x, this symbol will change. Okay, become greater than 9 times negative 3. This teacher told you before. When the operation of multiplications and divisions, if there is a positive, if there is a negative value, so the symbol will change. So the x become x greater than negative 27. 9 times 3 is negative 27. So this is the answer. So we have to change the symbol here. Okay. Okay, next. Okay. Next is D. Okay, 7 minus 4x greater than 50. So we change the 7, move to other side. Okay. And then become 15 minus 7. Here negative 4x. So 15 minus 7, we got 8. So this is negative 4x. Okay, so look at here. Negative 4x means that negative 4 multiplied by x, correct? So in front of the 4 got a negative symbol. So when teachers before this, teachers told you that when in front of the number got a negative, so the symbol of greater or less have to change. So here negative 4 move to other side. So this one, the symbol will change. Sorry, okay, this one is greater. So change like this. So 8, negative 4 and the x. Then x less than negative 2. So this is the answer. Okay. So like teacher said just now, so look at the operations carefully when there is a negative value, especially in multiplications and divisions. Okay, next. Okay, sorry. Okay, next is okay, so this one, okay, teacher write first. Okay. Okay, how do you solve simultaneous linear inequations? Okay, this is, you have to solve with two linear inequalities. Okay, firstly, you have to solve one by one. Okay, let's say teacher take the, I want to solve the 2x plus 5 less than 11 first. Okay, 2x plus 5 less than 11. And then plus 5 move to other side. And then become 11 minus 5. And here is 2x. So 11 minus 5, you got 6. Alright, so here is 2x. Okay, okay, look at here. 2x is 2 multiplied by x, correct? So The 2 here is a positive. So when we change to other side, the symbol is remain same because it's a positive. If negative, so the symbol may be changed. Okay, 6/2. So x less than is less than 3. Okay. Okay, next is 3x. Okay, I want to use the green color. 3x minus 10 less than 5. Okay, and then negative 10, move to other side, and then become 5 plus 10. Here is 3x. Okay, why negative 10 when changed to the other side, the symbol is still the same because the negative 10 is not a multiplication or divisions. Okay, so 3x 15, so x less than 15/3, then x less than 5. Okay, okay, this is not the final answer. So if you find this question, you have to make a number line. Okay, I will show you how to make the number line. Like the previous slide, the number line, you have to make a line like this, and then you have to put number. So now it's a x less than 3 and x is less than 5. Okay. Okay. So let's say teacher say this one is number, okay. Let's say teacher say this one is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So, okay, let's say, look at here, x less than 3. I want to use the red color. Okay, x less than. So, less than means you have to move to your left hand side. Left hand. Sebelah kiri. Okay. So, same like 5. 5 also less than. 5 less than. So, kita nak move ke kanan ataupun ke kiri. Sebab this x is less. Less maksud dia left. Less maksud dia ke kiri. Okay, kita move dia ke kiri. Okay. So, from here, we can say that, okay. Okay, so this is the common region ataupun shaded region. Okay. So, this is the region that we are going to find. So, x, so we can say that x is less than 3 and x is less than 5. Okay? Okay. So, next is, okay, this is the last one. Okay, look at here. Teacher, I write first. Okay. 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 So, this is the last part for the chapter 7. Okay. So, this is a bit hard